In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the 3D extension for Halo from Nugen Audio. And this takes Halo and adds the ability to upmix to immersive formats such as Dolby Atmos, Auro 3D, and Ambisonics. And in this video, I'll take some stereo recordings and upmix those to third order Ambisonics. So anyone who's used Halo before will instantly recognise the UI. The biggest change is down here where there are two new controls, vertical on phase and vertical off phase, and I'll explain exactly what these do in the article below. In my plugin chain, I'm also running Ambi Limiter HD and Ambi Head HD, which is taking the third order Ambisonics and encoding it to binaural. So to begin, I'll play the original recording, followed by the Ambisonics upmix. I'll put a link in the article below so you can download the audio I've used in this video, as well as a demo of Halo and the 3D extension, and try it for yourself. This has been Tom Lowe for Production Expert. Thanks for watching.